Hello students, we are back again after the puja vacations. Now again study mode on. So we shall start with a new chapter today because we have finished with gender, and today we are going to start the new chapter, possessive nouns. Now students, you all know that in pronouns class we have done that what is the meaning of possessive. That means it shows a belonging, means the particular thing belongs to something which belongs to someone. Okay, someone is the owner of that particular thing. If I say that this pen belongs to Ria, that means what? Ria is the owner of this pen, no one else, not me, not you. Ria is the owner of this pen. So this pen belongs to Ria. Imagine that there is a girl called Ria. So this particular pen belongs to Ria. She is the owner of that pen. Okay, so the word possessive, this word possessive shows a belonging. Okay, that particular things belongs to someone. Clear? Now that is in the case of pronouns, and now in possessive noun, how do we denote possessive noun? With an apostrophe s. Okay, like if I say that this pen belongs to Ria, how will I frame the sentence? If I say that this pen belongs to Ria, that means Ria is the owner. And how will we put apostrophe s? This is Ria's pen. Ria with apostrophe s. Like, see, I'll write over here. Ria apostrophe s. Okay, all of you can see Ria's pen. So this is the apostrophe s, which is showing what? The possessive noun. That means Ria's pen, possessive noun. This noun's possession. Which is the noun over here? Ria. And which is the possessive noun? This apostrophe s, showing the belonging. And what belongs to Ria? The pen. This is the thing that belongs to Ria. Okay, so Ria's pen. If I say this pen belongs to Ria, when we will write apostrophe s, it will become Ria's pen. So the possessive noun is Ria's. This apostrophe s, Ria is the noun. And how are we showing the possessive thing? By putting apostrophe s. This apostrophe s shows that belonging. Ria's pen, no one else's, only Ria's. Okay, not yours, not mine. Only Ria is the owner of this pen. See, Ria, noun. This is the apostrophe s, which is your possessive noun, and the pen which belongs to Ria. This comma and s. Clear? Now, there are some other examples which I am going to show. See. Possessive nouns. The word possessive shows belonging, which I have explained it to you. The word possessive shows belonging, means something which belongs to someone. We use apostrophe. See, this is apostrophe sign. This sign is apostrophe sign. This comma at the top, we give it like I showed to you. At the top of the noun, we give and also put a s after that to show that belonging. Okay, this is the apostrophe sign to show belonging. Okay, that this particular thing belongs to someone. Now I will show you certain sentences which will help you in understanding what is actually the work of apostrophe s. These dresses belong to Sheena. These dresses belong to Sheena means the dresses belong to Sheena. Okay, no one else, only Sheena is the owner of the dresses. Now such a big sentence, we can shorten it by giving an apostrophe s, and also can show the possessive noun. How? These are Sheena's dress. See, these are Sheena's dress. See, apostrophe s, Sheena's. That is showing what? The belonging. Sheena's. This apostrophe s. This is showing the belonging of what? The dress. Sheena's dress. Okay, that is showing that ownership, that belonging. No one else's dress is that. Only Sheena is the owner. And how do we make the possessive noun? Noun, like by putting, which is the noun? Sheena. And how do we make it possessive? By giving apostrophe s. That is Sheena's dress, showing that possession. Sheena's dress. Sheena is the owner. But not, if you do not give the apostrophe and write Sheena's by giving only S, then it will become plural. That is absolutely wrong. Like this, see? If you write Sheena's, that means many Sheena's are there. No, this is wrong. Completely wrong. You have to give apostrophe S. Then only it will show that belonging. How? Sheena's. See, Sheena and then apostrophe and S. This shows that ownership, that possession, that belonging. Okay, this is correct and this is wrong. Okay, students, you have to be very clear while giving the apostrophe S. You cannot just write this one. That will make the noun plural. No, we are not making the noun plural over here. We are making it possessive. By what? Giving apostrophe S. Now the next is, this white shirt belongs to Atul. How will we change in possessive? This is Atul's white shirt. See, belonging. Whose shirt? Atul's shirt. No one else's. So Atul's. Atul and then apostrophe S. Showing the possessive noun. What does Atul belong? What thing belongs to Atul? The white shirt. Clear? And the next one is, I went to the house that belongs to Kritika. I went to the house that belongs to whom? Kritika. Means Kritika is the owner of that house. That house belongs to Kritika. How will we write in the possessive noun form? I went to Kritika's house. See, Kritika, A apostrophe S, showing the possession, and this, what does she possess? She possesses the house. So the question is, I went to the house that belongs to Kritika. Kritika's house belongs to Kritika. Kritika is the owner. How will we change it in possessive noun? Like this, I went to Kritika's house by giving one apostrophe S. See, per noun, possessive noun, and this thing is the belonging thing. What does she belong? What is the thing that belongs to Kritika? That is the house. Okay. So in the different categories of sentence, we have seen that different things are belonging to someone. Like the dress belongs to Sheena, the white shirt belongs to Atul, the house belongs to Kritika. And all the things we have like written by the apostrophe S. Like Atul's shirt, Kritika's house, Sheena's dress. And how have we made them? By giving the apostrophe S. Sheena's apostrophe S, Atul's apostrophe S, Kritika's apostrophe S. Okay, like this we have done it. I hope that the concept of possessive noun is clear to you all, and I will be giving you sentences regarding these examples only, which I have explained you today, and I hope that you will be able to solve it. Thank you, class. Meet you in the next video. Bye bye.